Okay, I got you know what? My little nephew came down, and he brought a good question. I never thought about that. And he said to me, "How it work?" He didn't say, "What's that for?" He say, "How's that work?" And and a lot of people up there, pretty sure they probably would have asked me the same question too. How does this thing work? Okay, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna tell you how it works and how to break it down in detail, so you have a little very understanding how this thing works. And he brought a good point up, my nephew. I said, you know what? That's a good point now, because a lot of people they see me talking over here about this, about that. Well, okay, what's that for? Okay, let's bring it on then. You know, you got your thermostat in your house, right? Your thermostat is wired in some point from your living room to the basement. There's a relay, it's a switch, it's a box. Your thermostat wires to there. Okay? Then from that box to here is wired. This motor is wired to that box. Okay? From that relay to your thermostat is 24 low voltage. It's 24 volt. Okay? And from that relay to here is 110. You get 110 going from the outside to that relay, and that relay is going to bring 110 over here. So the way it works is, when you raise your thermostat in your living room, bedroom, whatever you got your thermostat, okay, I want the temperature to be at 80. What happened? That thermostat is going to close, because that thermostat, what it is a switch. It's an open and close. That's what it is. It's a switch. So that thermostat is going to close. Then it's going to close the circuit in that relay. It's going to tell that relay to send 120 volts to this pump over here. And what's going to happen? This pump is going to start working. And when that happens, in your boiler, if you got a boiler, let me see, it's supposed to be an arrow here someplace. It will tell you which way. See over here, if you guys can see it. You're going to see the arrow over here. See the arrow? So that means the water going from this way to this way. So what's going to happen, it's going to take the hot water from the boiler. This pump is going to push it upstairs to your room, to your baseboard or radiator, whatever you got upstairs. It's going to push it, and it's a big loop. It's going to come back around, and go back to the boiler. It's going to push the hot water to your living space, and then it's going to bring back the cold water back to the boiler. And that's how it works. That's how your house get heat up. Okay. Well, if it's a switch, I don't know how it's going to bring the temperature to 80. Because what's going to happen, this pump is going to keep running, keep running, and the water in the boiler is 180 degrees, so it's hot, a lot of hot water. And when that water get upstairs, you just give out heat. Keep doing that, and when the thermostat satisfies, it's going to open the switch again. When your room temperatures get around 80, the switch is going to open, and that's how your thermostat work. Open and close, open and close. But And then meanwhile, the pump keep running to the thermostat certified. So, and you see the arrow here? That's the way the water goes.